Las Vegas at TMRE, listening to a lot of interesting trends and learning a lot about market research.
The fact that there's one place that all these people are coming together to share ideas is a tremendous opportunity for us.
I always say that I run from a meeting to another because I really want to network and get to know amazing vendors that are here and learning a lot. In the panels and in the case studies, we learn a lot.
It's great to see that there's this interest in UX research, and I love the idea of marrying it with market research. And I've been doing this for 25 years, and this is the first time I've actually heard of UX as an industry.
I think there's major transitions that are already underway, but that's just starting. The next 5–10 years, we'll see a major change in kind of how people look at research, and then what are they doing with that research and how they make that actionable in real time in nature.
There's a lot of heavy emphasis on AI, a lot of heavy emphasis on big data. For me, coming from Asia Pacific, seeing what the North American market research industry is like, what are the topics they're talking about, gives me a frame of reference of understanding where we're at in Asia Pacific.